Hi, it's me, Jennita, yes. I know I'm so extra today. One of my favorite tutorials that I ever filmed. Yeah. So if you want to recreate this, please keep on watching. I'm gonna start this tutorial with this palette by Root Cosmetics and this lipstick. It's a red lipstick that I'm going to use as a base. So I'm gonna apply this red lipstick on my outer corner. Then I'm gonna use this jumbo pencil by NYX. It is a white shade, it is Milk, I think is the name, and I'm gonna apply this as my base too. This is gonna be on my inner lid. Then I'm gonna start with this red shade, which is super beautiful. Look at this shade. Oh my god, I was really impressed. Even in the brush, wow, look how pigmented it is. Wow, this is so shock. I've never seen any palette which has a real red eyeshadow like this. Then I'm gonna pick another wine shade, I think, and I'm gonna try to blend this out, but I didn't find it helpful, this shade, so I decided to take another shade. So I'm gonna take this one, which is like a maroon shade. I don't know how to describe this shade, but it's so pretty and has some sparkles, but it is okay, don't worry about that. It's gonna be a perfect shade. Then I'm gonna take this orange shades from the Root palette. It's gonna be my transition shade. And finally, this yellow shade from the Fantastique palette by Root Cosmetics is gonna be my last transition shade. But if I were to start with the transitions first, this would be my first transition shade. Then I'm gonna pick this Bad Habit Cool Mania palette and this Pigment by l.a.colors. And I'm gonna take this red shade from the Cool Mania palette. It is so pretty, you see? So pigmented and bomb. This is the metallic shade that I really love it. Then I took the l.a.colors pigment and I did apply it on my inner lid. And I took this shade, which is so pop, to this lid. It's gonna be so bump. So if you need to go back and forth with the shades, you can do it. Try to buffer it out and blend all these edges. You see, it's so pretty. If you need to go back and forth with the shades, you are free to do it. I brought the shades on my lower lash line too. I'm gonna do my eyeliner with this lipstick by Wetnwild. That is the goth topic, I think. Then I'm gonna take this shade, which is a burgundy shade. It is so similar with the lipstick that I did use as a eyeliner, so it was perfect. And I tried to diffuse the end of the eyeliner, and I took it a little bit up to the lid. Now the secret, it is blend, blend and blend. Then I took this maroon shade, that is dark brown shade, my lower lash line, and I took this vanilla shade to clean my brow bone area too. And then I took this white metallic sparkly shade from the Bad Habit palette, and I applied this another shade which is so sparkle in my inner corners too. I apply my mascara, my falsies, and then I decide to take some of glitter of this hard candy glitteratzi on my inner corner and the base as a highlighter. Then I decide to use this lipstick by Bare Minerals, but I decide to put another one by l.a.colors because I want a darker shade, so I prefer this one. I bronze my face with this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Then I did use this blush by NARS. This is the Orgasm. It's a kind of rose gold shade. I don't know if you can see it, but it's so pretty. And finally, you can use this setting spray by MAC, but you can use whatever you want or whatever you have. Voila! And this is the final look, the final tutorial, the final result. I hope you like it as much as I do, because I really love doing this tutorial.
The tutorial is perfect for special occasions, for going out, for going to the parties, for going on a date. So it's perfect for whatever special occasion you want. So this makeup tutorial is for you who request this video. So I was really excited to film this video. So I hope to see you in my next video. Comment down below, give me your thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye!